Hello! So today I was thinking about what if making some simple stuff like chocolate chip cookie. But then recently my kids are like having tummy aches if they eat too much dairy. So I came across these vegan chocolate. So I'm like, you know what? Let's make some vegan chocolate chip cookie. What do you think? Should we start?
First, we are going to combine the coconut oil with sugar, brown sugar, and salt. And we're gonna mix that in. Then we're gonna add in the coconut milk along with the vanilla. Ooh, the coconut milk smells really, really good. Then we're gonna sift the flour and the baking soda together. And then we're gonna gently mix the flour and the wet ingredient together. Then we're gonna do the chocolate. So let's see. We need roughly about 5 of these guys. And I'm just going to break it into pieces. Add the chocolate into the dough. Because we're using coconut oil, I am going to put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let it set. Meanwhile, set your oven at 350 Fahrenheit, about 180 degrees Celsius. Scooping time. So I always use an ice cream scoop for my cookie to make sure everything is uniform. Leave about, I would say, because these are so gigantic, I would just leave about 2 inches apart from each other. Still, I'm so surprised this cookie does not have any egg at all, does not have any dairy at all, and even the chocolate is dairy-free, vegan. And I just cannot wait to see what this actually tastes like. I bought this at JC Foods in Causeway Bay in Hong Kong. But you can sure look it up online. It's called Raw Halo. And in this go into my oven. Would you like to have some chocolate chip cookies? Ooh.
Can I eat it?
Yes, you can eat it. Oh my god.
It got lipstick on it.
These chocolate are so yum. Ooh, I just tasted the salted caramel one. Well, I think this is a success. So what are you gonna do next? I think you should subscribe and
Like, comment, and slap the bell with the cookie.
all right, on that note, see you later.